4 packages that were optional in 2017 are standard on specific trims. The Select trim now features the contents of last year's Select Plus package: blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, navigation, and SiriusXM Travel Link. The 13-speaker Revel audio system is now standard on the Reserve, and the top-spec Black Label model now comes with a panoramic sunroof. The technology package: lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, head-up display, automated emergency braking, a self-parking feature, and more, and the climate package: rain-sensing wipers, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, heated rear seats, and automatic high-beam headlamps. All models benefit from the addition of a 4G LTE data connection with an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot, an upgrade over last year's 3G-powered setup. A handful of new colors also join the palette: Ivory Pearl, Blue Diamond, and Iced Mocha. Rhapsody Blue, borrowed from the Continental concept car, is now offered on the Reserve trim instead of being exclusive to the Black Label model. What was new for 2017? In a word, everything. Although Lincoln teased us with the all-new Continental in concept form back in 2015, the production version needed 2 years to appear on dealer lots. It's not as deluxe as the Continental concept displayed at auto shows, but this four-door has many of the qualities that buyers of luxury cars desire. Trims and options we'd choose. Our pick remains the mid-range Select model, which sees a $1,695 price increase this year due to the addition of navigation, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and SiriusXM Travel Link to the standard features list. These niceties join other luxury features on the Select trim, which include bridge of wear leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel with genuine wood accents, power trunklet and soft closed doors. We'd suggest the 335 HP twin-turbocharged 2.7-liter V6 engine for $2,250, the 30-way adjustable perfect position massaging front seats for $1,500, and the $850 climate package: heated rear seats, heated steering wheel, automatic high-beam headlamps, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, rain-sensing wipers, windshield wiper deicer, for a total of $54,895. All-wheel drive is available for $2,000 extra.